Are you tapping into the full potential of your Facebook presence? Whether you're new to Facebook advertising or already running ads without a Facebook pixel, you're overlooking a tool that could revolutionize your business tenfold. I'm your friendly guide from firewireads.com, here to demystify the Facebook pixel, demonstrating how it can supercharge your business growth and refine your advertising strategy. What's a Facebook pixel anyway? Imagine a tiny, powerful wizard living on your website, tracking visitors' actions and helping you understand their journey from your ad to your website. That's your Facebook pixel. It's a simple code snippet that, once placed on your site, works tirelessly to enhance your ad performance and audience understanding. And don't worry if coding isn't your forte. Embedding the pixel is as easy as copy-pasting, whether you're on Wix, WordPress, or Shopify. Why should you care? 1. Track like a pro. With the pixel, you can monitor how users interact with your website after clicking your ads. Discover which ads drive sales, lead to sign-ups, or just browse around, giving you the insight to optimize your campaigns for better results. 2. Remarketing magic. Ever wish you could nudge those almost customers who abandoned their carts? The Facebook pixel lets you do just that, allowing you to tailor ads to users based on their site activity, increasing the chances they'll complete their purchase. 3. Audience building. Go beyond basic targeting with lookalike audiences. By analyzing the traits of users who visit your site or make purchases, Facebook's algorithm helps you find and target new users who share similar characteristics, expanding your reach to potential customers likely to be interested in your offerings. Implementing the pixel, more than just installation. It's not just about slapping the pixel on your site and calling it a day. It's about strategic implementation, whether tracking conversions, optimizing for specific actions like adding to carts or completing purchases, or harnessing the power of remarketing. The pixel offers a suite of tools to refine your advertising efforts. A game changer for your advertising strategy. By understanding and utilizing the Facebook pixel, you can create more effective campaigns, reduce wasted ad spend, and connect with your audience in more meaningful ways. It's a step towards making your advertising efforts smarter, not harder. Ready to level up? If you're excited to harness the power of the Facebook pixel and transform your Facebook advertising, start by integrating this tiny yet mighty tool into your website. And remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore and leverage for your business's success. Join us for more insights. Love diving into the world of Facebook pixels with me? Don't miss out on more valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Facebook advertising. Subscribe now and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into custom conversions and other advanced pixel strategies. Let's grow together. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of Facebook pixels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content to help you and others grow. See you in the next video, and here's to your success on Facebook. Don't forget your Facebook ad hacks. Before you go, remember to grab your free copy of Facebook ad hacks for 2024 at facebook.firewireads.com. It's packed with insights to take your Facebook advertising.
Like and subscribe and learn how to make money online at firewireads.com.